Hi students, now welcome back our favorite video channel HGBS. This is B Ramesh. Now yesterday we have to discuss the topic functions exercise 1A. Here we discuss the same topic second Roman sums. Let us continue. So the third one is the relation G equals to the set of order pairs 1 1 2 3 3 5 4 7. A function from A 1 2 3 4 to B the set 1 3 5 7. Here we check the relation G is a function or not. That is the first. And if this is given by the formula, now the relation is given by the formula G of x equals to Ax plus B, then to find the values of A and B using these conditions. So now we have to solution in this given the sets A and B. A equals to 1 2 3 4 and B equals to 1 3 5 7, and given one relation, that is G equals to the set of order pairs 1 1 2 3 3 5 and 4 7. We observe these order pairs. Here the first components or first coordinates 1 2 3 4. Now these are all elements in the set A. Similarly, the second components 1 3 5 7. These are also all elements in the set B. Now here we have to observe in the domain set A, the all elements have unique images contains the set B that are 1 3 5 7. Therefore, here we go to the definition of function. Every element in the domain set has unique image in the codomain set. So this relation holds here. Therefore, this relation is always one function from A to B. Since in this relation every element in A has unique G images in the set B, then by the definition of function, G from A to B is a function. So this is the first condition. Next, we given one formula, that is G of x equals to Ax plus B, and given formula is G of x equals to Ax plus B. Now here to find G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, G of 4, because of these elements in the domain set A. Now to find G images using this formula. Now to find G of 1. Here G of x equal to Ax plus B. Now in this A into x means 1. Substitute 1 in this equation, that is A into 1 plus B, that equals to A plus B. Similarly, G of 2 equals to A into 2 plus B equal to 2A plus B. G of 3 equals to A into 3 plus B, that is 3A plus B. Similarly, G of 4 equals to A into 4 plus B, that is 4A plus B. Now here we write 1 2 3 4 and G1 G2 G3 G4 in curved brackets, that are order pairs which forms one set, that is G. Therefore G equals to, here we write the domain and range or images, domain and images 1 and G1, G of 1 write in curved brackets. Similarly we write 2 G of 2, 3 G of 3, 4 G of 4. Now already found g of 1, g of 2, g of 3, g of 4. Now we write that values 1 and a plus b, 2 and 2a plus b, 3 and 3a plus b, 4 and 4a plus b. Here we observe each element contains unique images. Already given one relation, that is also G. Now comparing these two relations, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, comparing these two, equation 1 and equation 2. We have, here we observe, in the set these are odd pairs, in the set these are also odd pairs. Now here first order pair 1 1 is always equals to 1 a plus b. Now comparing the second components, a plus b equals to 1. So a plus b equals to 1. And we take another order pair, the second component of another order pair. In first component is 2, here also first component is 2. In the second component is 3, in this second component is 2a plus b. Now we take 2a plus b equals to 3. Now solving these two equations to find the values of a and b. Already our conclusion is find the values of a and b. Here solving these two equations. Solve these two. We get, here subtract 2a plus b equals to 3, 2a plus b equals to 1. So in this 2a minus a, that is a, b cancel, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and b equals to 1 minus a, that means 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Now solving these two equations to find the values of a and b. A equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1. Therefore a equals to 2, b equals to minus 1. These are the values of a and b. This is the solution for this question. Now the fourth one is, if the function f from R to R is defined by fx equals to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2, then show that the condition f of x plus y plus f of x minus y equals to 2 into f of x into f of y. Now here given the function, given that function f from R to R is defined by f of x equals to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Here using this function, we have to show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y equals to 2 into fx into f of y. Now we take LHS, that equals to f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. Here we observe f of x is already given 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Now we observe x plus y replaced by x and x minus y is also replaced by x. That means 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus of x plus y. Here 3 power x plus 3 power minus x means 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus of x plus y whole by 2 plus 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus of x minus y whole by 2. Now we have to observe denominators are same, numerators are added. So here we write 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus x plus y plus 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus of x minus y whole by 2. Now here we take common 3 power x, both first and third term. The remaining values are, here the remaining value is 3 power y, in this 3 power minus y. Similarly, we take common 3 power minus x, both second and fourth term. In this the remaining term is 3 power minus y, In this the remaining term is 3 power minus of minus plus 3 power plus 1 whole by 2. Now we have to observe both two terms. We have to take common 3 power y plus 3 power minus y. 3 power y plus 3 power minus y. In the first term the remaining value is 3 power x. In the second term the remaining value is 3 power minus x whole by 2. Now here multiply with 2 both numerator and denominator. 2 into 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2 into 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Here we have to observe this is f of y because of f of x equals 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. In this 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2. Now we write f of y. Similarly, here also we write f of x. Now write order 2 into f of x into f of y. That equals to RHS. Therefore, f of x plus y plus f of x minus y equals to 2 into fx into fy. This is the condition for this question. This is the solution. Now the fifth one is, if the function f from R to R is defined by fx equals to 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2, then show that the condition f of 1 minus x equals to 1 minus f of x, and also hence deduce that the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. First we have to show that f of 1 minus x equals to 1 minus f of x using this condition. Now we go to the solution. Given f from R to R is defined by f of x equals to 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. First we find f of 1 minus x. Now to find f of 1 minus x. Now replace 1 minus x by x. That means 4 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x plus 2. Now it can be simplified that 4 by 4 power x whole by 4 by 4 power x plus 2. In this we have to observe 4 by 4 power x whole by, we have to take LCM 2 into 4 power x. So 4 plus 2 into 4 power x whole by 4 power x. In this both numerator and denominator 1 by 4 power x will be cancelled. The remaining values are 4 by. Here we take common 2. 2 into 2 plus 4 power x. Here cancel with 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. 2 by 4 power x plus 2. Therefore, f of 1 minus x equals to 2 by 4 power x plus 2, which is equation 1. Similarly, to find right side value 1 minus f of x. Again, to find 1 minus f of x. That means 1 minus fx is already given in the problem, that is 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. Now we take LCM 4 power x plus 2 minus 4 power x whole by 4 power x plus 2. Here in the numerator 4 power x minus 4 power x cancel. The remaining value is 2 by 4 power x plus 2. Therefore 1 minus f of x equals to 2 by 4 power x plus 2. This is equation 2. Now we observe in first equation f of 1 minus x value 2 by 4 power x plus 2. In second equation 1 minus f of x is also 2 by 4 power x plus 2. From both equation 1 and 2 these are equal. From equations 1 and 2, we get f of 1 minus x equals to 1 minus of f of x. This is the condition. And also to find the deduction value, that is f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. Now we write deduction. F of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. Here we observe f of 1 minus x equals to 1 minus f of x. Now we write this equation or this function in terms of this relation. Here first we write f of 1 by 4 plus f of 3 by 4 plus here we write f1 by 2 plus f1 by 2. Both are added 2 into f of 1 by 2. Already we get the same value. So in this we have to write f of 1 by 4 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4. Plus here also we write f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 2. Here we observe in this f of 1 minus x plus f of x. Now we take f of x to left side, that value is always equals to 1. F of 1 minus x plus f of x equals to 1, or f of x plus f of 1 minus x equals to 1. Now using this relation in this condition, so we have to observe f of 1 by 4 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 4. Now let us consider 1 by 4 equals to x, fx plus f of 1 minus x, fx plus f of 1 minus x, that value will be always equals to 1. Now we have to write that value is 1 plus here also we write f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 2. So here let us consider 1 by 2 equals to x, that means this is the form of fx plus f of 1 minus x. Now here also we have to write the value of this one equals to 1. Now therefore the value of the deduction equals to 2 using f of x plus f of 1 minus x equals to 1. This is the Sin's condition. Therefore f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4 equals to 2. This is the deduction. This is the solution, total solution for this question. Now the sixth one is, if the function f from the set minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 2 defined by fx equal to ax plus b is a surjection, then find the values of a and b. Here given the function is surjection. Now we go to the solution. Given that f from minus 1, 1, 2 the set 0, 2 is defined by fx equals to ax plus b, and also f is surjection. First to find images of minus 1 and 1. Now f of minus 1 using the relation a into minus 1 plus b, that is minus a plus b, and f of 1 a into 1 plus b, that is a plus b. Now here the relation f or function f equals to the set of order pairs minus 1 and f of 1, f of minus 1, 1 and f of 1. Now substitute the values of f of minus 1 and f of 1. in this minus 1 and minus a plus b, 1 and a plus b. Now which is equation 1. And also given f is surjection. Surjection means every element in codomain set has at least one pre-image in domain set, or range of that function f is equals to codomain set. Here codomain means the set of 0 and 2. Here there is two cases. Now the first case is, now we go to case 1. Here we have to take Venn diagram. This is domain set. In domain set the elements are minus 1 and plus 1. In the codomain set the elements are 0 and 2. The relation or function is f. Now here minus 1 mapped with 0, 1 is mapped with 2. Now the function f equals to the set of minus 1 and 0 and order pair 1 and 2. Now in this one, equating these two functions, here we have to observe order pairs. First components are already equal, the second components also equal. Now equating the second components from equation 1 and equation 2, we have minus a plus b equals to 0. That means a equals to b. Similarly, in this a plus b equals to 2, which implies in this one a plus a equals to 2, which implies 2a equals to 2, which implies a equals to 1. Therefore, a equals to b equals to 1. This is the value of a and b in the case 1. Now we take case 2. Here also we take Venn diagram. In this is minus 1 1, this is 0 and 2. Now here the element minus 1 mapped with 2 and the element 1 is mapped with 0. In first case minus 1 is mapped with 0, 1 is mapped with 2. In this one minus 1 is mapped with 2, 1 is mapped with 0. Because of every element in codomain set has at least one pre-image in domain set. Now here mapping with codomain elements to the elements in the domain. So in this the function f equals to the set of order pairs minus 1 and 2 and the second order pair is 1 and 0. Now which is equation 3. Now here also compare equation 1 and equation 3. In this one these are same functions. In order pairs first components are already equal. Now we have to equating second components. From equation 1 and equation 3 we have in the second components, in this second component is minus a plus b. So minus a plus b. In this one second component is 2. And similarly equating second component second order pair. In this a plus b equals to in this a plus 0. Now adding these two equations, A's are cancelled, 2b equals to 2, which implies b equals to 1. Therefore, in this a equals to minus b. That means minus 1. Therefore, a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 1. This is the values of a and b in case 2. So in case 1 the values of a and b are 1. In case 2 the values of a and b are a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 1. This is the solution for this question. Now the seventh one is, if fx equals to cos of log x, then show that the condition f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of x by y plus f of xy equals to 0. In this problem, given f of x equals to cos of log x. Here first to find f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y. F of 1 by x into f of 1 by y. Here we observe already f of x is given. Now replace 1 by x is replaced by x, and also in this 1 by y is replaced by x. Now here we write cos of log 1 by x into cos of log 1 by y. Now here we write cos of log x inverse into cos of log y inverse. Here also we write, this is the form of log a power b. Now we write cos of minus log x into, here also we write cos of minus log y. Now we have to observe, this is cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is always equals to cos theta. That means this is cos of log x into cos of log y. This is the value of f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y, which is equation 1. We take the second term, 1 by 2 into f of x by y minus plus f of xy equals to, here we write cos of log x by y. Here x by y is replaced by x and xy is replaced by x, plus cos of log xy 1 by 2 into, that means 1 by 2 into log x by y can be written as log x minus log y. So cos of log x minus log y, plus in this log xy can be written as log x plus log y. Cos of log x plus log y. That equals to, here we observe log x is a, log y is b. Now which is the form of cos a minus b? This is cos a plus b. So using trigonometric formula, cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Now we write 2 cos a cos b. So 2 into cos of log x into cos of log y. The formula is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Now we can write 2 cos a into cos b. Now using this formula to write 2 into cos log x cos log y. So here 2 cancel. Therefore 1 by 2 into f of x by y plus f of xy equals to cos of log x into cos of log y. This is equation 2. Now we take total equation f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of x by y plus f of xy. Now here we observe f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y in equation 1, cos log x into cos of log y. Cos of log x into cos of log y minus, that value is cos of log x into cos of log y. Cos of log x into cos of log y. Now we observe these values are same but signs are different. Therefore these are cancelled. The final value is 0. Therefore f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of x by y plus f of x into y equals to 0. This is the condition for this sum, which is the solution for this sum. So these are the remaining questions in Roman number 2. So this is the exercise 1A. Now let us continue next topic, next subtopic in the same topic, functions, in next video. So prepare and practice well. Thank you one and all.